It's just been a gusty way to wrap up the work week with temperatures that topped out in the 60s, but feeling much cooler than they actually were. We're already in this active weather pattern, and even more changes are expected through the rest of this weekend. So let's get into it. Let's take a quick look at your most reliable forecast, starting off with weather headlines for this Friday, October the 24th. Fall is turning fierce and gusty with rain, wintry mix, heavy mountain snow on the way. That means colder days are expected with slick roads in the forecast. Just not right now. They're just wet roads across the high desert. We've been seeing a little bit of snow in the highest elevations, but even through the passes, we just have wet roads, including on Century Drive on the way up to Bachelor. Now, across the Tri-County area, other parts of Central Oregon, wet roads. Now, there is a series of weather alerts across the entire state because of this atmospheric river that's bringing heavy mountain snow, some light totals in the lower elevations, and these strong winds. So, as we go forward through the rest of this evening, our gusty, very gusty conditions are peaking, and they're about to start to taper off with winds back down to 10 to 20 miles per hour through the overnight hours. And then look at this, 25 to 35 mile per hour winds through Saturday. And then by Sunday, it's still going to be gusty at times. Here's why. We have back-to-back systems and another one developing out over the Pacific Ocean. So through tonight, we actually catch a little bit of clearing. Then after that, Saturday, mountain snow begins with rain and snow showers, even in our lower elevations, all the way through Sunday. Through Monday, another system is approaching the high desert. So an active pattern indeed. And we're even looking at a trace maybe getting up to 4 inches in parts of the Tri-County area. Highest totals, of course, through the Cascades, above 4,200 feet, 4,500 feet, really. And for tonight, we're expecting 30s with a few 40s and 20s out there. By Saturday, 40s and 50s for highs. And then your 7-day planner shows that we don't get even close to average for this time of the year till next week. It's the latest in weather.